Divide 864 divided by 17. Whenever we have a two-digit divisor, we ask ourselves how many times that number goes into the first two digits of this number first, and then we do some long division. So, how many times does 17 go into 86? Well, I'm going to go with 5. Now, if we have to go off to the side and do 5 times 17, there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to do that right now. 5 times 7 is 35. So I'm going to write out a 5, carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I get 85. So we write out 85 underneath. Now, if you guessed a different number like 6 and your number was too big, that's okay. You just now know that it's not 6 and you try it again. Now that I have this number written out, I'm going to subtract. So 86 minus 85 is 1. Drop down the 4 and repeat the process. How many times does 17 go into 14? Well, 0 times. So we multiply 0 times 17 and get 0. We subtract, and 14 minus 0 is 14. Since there's no more numbers to drop down, 14 is going to be our remainder. So my final answer is going to be 50, remainder 14.